install with the pulse display here, just a little touch screen. We did try it with the ISOBUS. It does pop up. The only downfall about using like the C1000, for example, is that, you know, in order to work everything, you have to use the encoder wheel. The downside is that monitor is not a touchscreen monitor, so to run some of the functions quickly, it's not real conducive to doing that. So we've upgraded fluid farms up to the pulse, and here on the screen, if you get a good look here at the screen, you've got auto and manual. So right now we're in auto. What that does is when I press the up button or the down button, it'll basically go through all the way up at the end of the headland, and then when I press the button again, it'll go back down to our preset. So right now I've got a preset set at 2 inches deep, so it's negative 2.0. Make sure you don't get that confused with 2.0, because then it'll raise it up to 2 inches above the ground. That's not where we want to be. We want to have a negative number because we're digging in the ground. So the run screen that I typically like to run in is going to be this screen right here. So this is where you've got your preset. So my first preset is -2. My second preset, we'll go ahead and we'll change that to -3. And then to lock that preset in at -3, I put it in and then I hold the button for 3 seconds, and that locks in the -3 for the depth. And then my other one here is -6. Since we're running a digger, if I'm going 6 inches deep, you know, I got the wrong tips and the wrong points, that get pretty close to chisel plowing, but I'll really be at -2. And that's going to automatically control everything out of the back from that valve block. We want to make sure that our remote isn't constant. One thing that we did notice on the C1000, so you come here and get a good look here at the C1000, then down here for outlet number 2, you can see number 1 has got infinity seconds, number 2 is infinity seconds, this is 40 seconds, 58 seconds, and 20 seconds. Make sure as we get into that outlet that we'll go back to 50 here. When we go down to here for the timing, that we have the right number of seconds. Otherwise, it is going to time out. So for us, we want constant power on infinity, which is right below 1. Lock it in, press escape. Now when we put that into detent, we're in constant flow back to that hydraulic valve. The hydraulic valve on the back is exactly what's going to control it. So that valve is going to get the constant flow from the tractor, and we're going to make our adjustment through that valve out to the cylinders.